Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing the unboxing of the Let's Go Cocoa Daisy kit. This is the one that will be available for the month of June. And with the June kits, the subscription services have been changed a little bit, but I find it all to be in a good way. Simply because of the memory keeping that I am on the team for. I'm not so sure about the planner subscriptions, so can't clarify those questions. But if you recall, I used to get the 12 by 12 scrapbooking kit as well as the modern memory keeping kit, which was the pocket cards. And in those kits, when I would unbox them, remember I would go through both the kits and say what was in duplicate. So I always got like 2 sets of like the enamel dots, like 2 sets of the die cuts, 2 sets of the alphas, because they were the same in both kits. Now they've made it as one scrapbooking core kit, which would have all of those items. And then when you do your subscription, you can either add on the 12 by 12 papers to the core scrapbooking kit or the pocket cards to the core kit. That way, if you did both of them like I did, you didn't get those duplicates because it was like a little bit redundant, which some people appreciated it. Maybe others found it to be a lot of wasted product. So now it's like one scrapbooking kit that has those alphas, the die cuts, the enamel dots, the washi tape, and then you just add on scrapbooking paper, the pocket page cards, or it was the traveler's notebook. Remember the simple dory? And I think it simplifies it a lot, so that way you don't have duplicates, and I find it easier. That's just me. So we'll go through the core kit with the papers and then the pocket cards, because I still got those to play with as their memory keeping design team member. And then instead of getting the memory keeping sticker kit, I switched it up this month to get the journaling kit. So I probably will still do maybe memory keeping spread with it, but maybe we'll do some journaling videos, or maybe attach it to this video where it'll be my first project, just playing with some stuff in my journal rather than my memory planner. So let's get started. So let me take away this part first and then show you the core kit. So I'll move this over too, and then we'll show you the add-ons. So when you get the core kit, So when you get the core kit, it comes with all these goodies. There's a paper clip. Oh. Okay, so we got 3 little minty paper clips. We have and then the washi tape roll. It looks like, can you see that? Ledger paper, like a little ledger. Ugh, it's not focusing very well. Come on. Ugh, okay. And then the washi tape looks like a ledger roll. So you can see like the little lines and the stripes. So the lines horizontally are blue, and then the vertical one is like a red, kind of like a guest checkbook or check receipt. We have these 2 cards, travel meal review, and they fit into these little like self-closing envelopes with the spinners. There is a pack of die cuts. We have a little bit of twine, the stamp set, really cute with the little bagel guy, a little milkshake, life at the moment, in a summer state of mind, the perfect place to be, time for a break menu, and relax. The enamel dots, the chipboard. I love the colors. It's very bright, like primary, but then we got this like blast of mint. The mint alpha, they're puffy alphas. The rub-ons. And then the 6x8 pattern papers. So you get 2 of each. Oh, you got another paper clip. So 4 of those paper clips. 2 of each. So here they all are. So there's that ledger paper again. Matchbooks, a tone-on-tone like coral with stars, a stripe, a diagonal stripe in green, and then the rustic motel. So this is the core kit. So you sign up for the core kit and then you select your add-ons. So you can do an add-on of the pocket cards. So you got the mix of 3x4 and 4x6. So here are the pocket cards. The June. That's cute. And then the calendar. Very bright colors. Perfect for like a travel, but also perfect for like foodie stories. But you definitely get a travel vibe for it. Let's do this. Oh, I love this one. The little black and white check. June room. The stripes. Vacation checklist. I love food. I like that card. Just finding my way. Notes from the road. That's the perfect little guest receipt. Welcome summer. Goals. Oh, love that little illustration. Food trip. Yeah, so you can definitely do food trip stuff as well. And then the 12 by 12, I imagine, will be similar. Let's take them out. To the 6 by 8s. You get 2 of everything. So this one is just kind of like the bumper sticker motif of everything. And then a repeating pattern, like a teal and aqua color. The motel, that's the same. Oh, and then the ledger. I love the ledger. The bold stripe. And that tone-on-tone coral and coral. A repeating pattern, yellow on yellow. A great map. There's that diagonal stripe too. With the matchstick books. I love that stripe. And then red and white checker. Oh, and then like a little menu board. Like a diner menu board. Cute. Different, but cute. Okay, so this was the core kit. Remember, core kit for scrapbooking core kit with the add-on of the pocket page card, the pocket cards, and this was the 12 by 12. Let me show you now the journaling kit, and we will create. Okay, the journal kit has been quite popular. This one sells out quite easily in the beginning of every month, and so it comes in the cellophane bags. You can already see that there's probably a pack of rub-ons. What I like about this one too, similar to the memory keeping kit, is that everything is flat without the bulk. Okay, so the washi tape is a tone-on-tone orangey floral, like daisies, like little doodly daisies. Then the little guest check, welcome summer please. And what I liked about it, so the journaling kit comes with a journal prompt card, and they made it look like a little diner menu. So sunny side breakfast special, so that it says reflect on your first half of the year so far, what has gone well, what needs improvement. The ice cream summer sundae, what is your favorite thing about summer right now? Cloudy with the chance of meatball stew. 3 books I want to read this summer. So it just gives you like a place to start with journaling, which is why I wanted to switch it up this month and see how I would create with it. So 2 packs of rub-ons, and I love their rub-ons. They are some of the best, along with, you know who also rub-ons I love, 49 and Market. So they are very, very well made, very high quality. So you get the 2 rub-ons, the prompt card, a washi tape, and then you get your stickers as well. So days of the week, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets of days of the week. So technically I could use it if I had like a daily journal. There's enough for the month, and then all the dates. This is a big piece of washi sticker, but it's it's a map. So I could cut this into strips or cut shapes out of it, and it would be the map. The matchstick paper is also a big sheet of washi, which could be a nice background as well. Washi strips, and then the icons. Just finding my way. I love the sentiments. A good, almost like rustic alpha. It's in black. It's a little worn, like a little weathered kind of alpha. And then more icons as well with those watercolory effects. So, okay, that's the journaling kit for the month of June. I will leave everything linked down below. Let me take a moment to see what we should create first, and I will be right back in this video. Okay, so I decided to do a pocket page card for the layout that will go along with the unboxing. This one came together rather quickly, so that's why I included it, so that the video didn't stay way too long. So I fell in love with the cassette tape card, and so everything kind of stemmed around building something around that card with the colors and as far as the theme is concerned. So we started off with the cassette tape, and then I chose the journaling card where I could fit a lot of journaling with the rainbow, so the colors matched. Then on the opposite side, I definitely went with a sentiment card and a pattern card as well. That's usually my formula when I'm looking at the cards anyway. A journal card, a sentiment card, and a pattern paper card, and then I can fit my photos in around it. What I'm creating now with the 12 by 12 is an extra flap, because for this story, I'm telling a story about building furniture for our new office with my in-laws, and they helped me so much, and so it's just a good story to have in the books. I even did a 6-photo collage and did some text on it as well. So with that extra pattern paper, I measured it to be 6 by 5, and at the 4-inch mark I made a score line and used it to have the flip up for the additional photos underneath it. I think that turned out really well in order to have as many photos as possible with this layout and not be overwhelmed by seeing too many of them up front. So everything just stays nice and symmetrical and balanced when you're looking at it now, and that's what I like about it. And I also kept my photo black and white because that Nike shirt I'm wearing was hot pink. Even though the rest of the stuff was all black, I was building all our like waiting room chairs, and it worked out good. So then you saw me audition out all of the die cuts to put on the layouts, and nothing was really striking me because the story I'm telling about building furniture for our new office doesn't lend itself to all of the sentiments that are like, let's go out to eat and where I am now, and you know those food and travel icons didn't work really well. But the stamp set had potential. So I did 2 stampings with my stays on. I used one of those paper clips, and then here I am adding some of the enamel dots, and that will pretty much wrap it up. I do like the simplicity. Like I said, pocket page layouts for me come together rather quickly, so I thought this was perfect to show you how to use some of those journaling cards that come in the kit this month for Cocoa Daisy. Okay, that will be my quick pocket page layout. We have a nice little stamp and cluster with the enamel dots and the story about our office. And this is just an iconic card that it didn't need much even from there. Then we used 2 of the cards. These cards, the colors just pulled in nicely from over there, and then a nice kind of like a sentiment card and a quick little flip up. And then I used that cardstock with all of the like patches, which is so cute. And then I made a photo collage there too. So a quick story. I did all the unboxing. You saw all the lovely products. Stay tuned for more videos coming using this great collection. Thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe if you are new to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and until next time, bye.